Yeah. Every time say my kidney, it's a can't get. Dlalu fitla bandi basal kangel. Sharing out them niggas, puma pandle. Connection is complicated, fanane yes baguette. Always there is stupid, strat when this is a subject. Tandu blip like gritos are by target. Keep on asking question, bro, just cut it. If you take that grito or you forget. Telling my own stories as a cousin, I was power while taking my right corner and bonus duanas lula pa. Boni attitude, I just funu kalosa. Yeah, says the escolo in his talibali, sends the shit. So I exchange a bit, send the hit. Bit these niggas joking cause as it go fit. So my lips on fire when I spit it, bit a hit.
Writing this beat, I made it. Blowing trees, cause yeah, you know that weed is my medication. Rap is my everyday shit. I pull up, they relocate. I don't hang with niggas that faking, acting like they love me, but them niggas be really hating. I lock them in cages. My bars are so heavy. All your shit is fugazi. I'm coming hard, man, I'm crazy. Got the gang going crazy, moving from places to places. We took the lead, now they tailing, but they won't find the location. As you know, I'm Navgator, so I'm chilling with Useta. Sita Baglom Yalo, your best rapper, commentator. Niggas talking shit, so I'm making sure I kungulela. Niggas know I'm sick and I'm making sure Basulela. I'ma switch the flow but still keep the code. Niggas act like hoes with the bros before hoes. Real niggas know cheat codes is something we don't have. Yeah, we're real bro, so take that or leave bro. We came back with hits bro, snapping on this beat cause Ben Chilo. Wanna shine in gold like I'm still low. Gotta go hard in here, listed boy. Can't follow trends cause they decoy. Standing on my business with my 10 toes, no day off.
The come up is closer, siyangena siyafosta, singena ngetova ndiyadlala ngeposter. My niggas all over from coastline to coastline. That aim is the front line and lunch. When it's lunchtime, it's all mine. I'm grabbing every steak to confirm mine. Just blew up in your face, left your dome blind. To go find this type of sickness, and the remedy for my next rhyme is cutting like a razor on some fresh steak. Next line, bro, there's lies in here, ain't no lies in here. Everybody talk that feeling, let the wings spread. Know some did this shit, nigga, when we break the bread. It's real things, real feelings, real pain, real blood, real hustle, real struggle, real loss, real life, real songs, real hot. Yours, real not. On some real shit, your niggas deserve a kill shot. My niggas never miss the target, sticking to the real plot. Real smiles, real hopes, real dreams, real rhyme. From mixed emotions, team flight, pay me and beast. There's still more that we gon' dollar in the streets. There's still more to $5 in the streets. But niggas is greedy, steady killing each other. The numbers is crazy. From younger to longer to culture to early 15s, carrying tools, making moves, contributing to black crime blues.
Bushu life usani, bushu life body. Don't worry about the latex. Okanye ufuni latex. Except I mean paycheck. Shera kwina mabali. I funu nigu tansi. Apps coming from you. I wanna baleke lapi. But I cannot run from a fight cause the fight is nothing for me. Out in the trenches, busy pandana le mali. UMXHOSA ngamabali. Never run this shit hard. Maybe I might delete it later. Pinocchio didn't poke his nose. Now he has a nose ring. Grass and greener on the other side. Pandu bomi.
Okay, kudala siklo mdlalo kuthi game ele umali ucofa next kuba ufuna ufaka enye umbali uthanda imali khupha imali aveza ibele umzali unewari emphefumulweni ulimele standing on my feet cause angeke nindimele niggas got views ovele bekumele siphumelele vula iqhango singene stop pretending like you care. I see fake smiles. I'm fed up with the lies, watch me rise. If you want success then you gotta pay the price. Nifuna imali yonke man neka ila mask imphathele icorona nonke nxiba imask osikanye usela unxili wazi jive kwasa netwalatse kwade kwasa still in the house